Good morning and welcome to my official TikTok channel for language. I'm your host Kamran, and in today's video I'll tell you about the band descriptors for writing task 2. These are the band descriptors, and this is what I told you, that no need to work on your accent. There are no marks for accent. So let's see these band descriptors one by one. Then you will have a better idea that what are the things on which you are supposed to work in order to get a very good band in your writing task 1 and writing task 2. So stay tuned with me. Just wait a second. Okay guys, now you can see that these are the band descriptor. This is a public version in which you can see that we have the first band descriptor, that is task achievement, then coherence and cohesion, then lexical resource, then grammatical range and accuracy. So you are supposed to work on only on these band descriptors, and you can see the difference. For example, for task achievement, here you can see that if you have you want to achieve band 9, so all the requirements of the task are fully and appropriately satisfied. There may be extremely rare lapses in content. Just go to the next one, go and compare it with number 7, band number 7. So the response covers the requirements of the task, not fully, but the requirement of the task. Here you can see the content is relevant and accurate. There may be a few omissions or lapses. The format is appropriate. Not there may be extremely rare lapses. Extremely rare lapses, or here you can see, if check with this one, there may be a few omissions or lapses, rare lapses. This is the difference. Now we will come towards this one, coherence and cohesion. The message can be followed effortlessly. Cohesion is used in such a way that it very rarely attracts attention. Any lapses in coherence or cohesion are minimal. Paragraphing is skillfully managed. Just compare it with band 7. Information and ideas are logically organized, and there is a clear progression throughout the response. A few lapses may occur. Here you can see a few lapses may occur. And the last one, a range of cohesive devices including reference and substitution is used flexibly, but with some inaccuracies or some over or underuse. This is what I usually mention in coherence and cohesion when you are using the cohesive devices. So please be careful about this thing, that this should not be used inaccurately, or there shouldn't be some overuse or underuse of these cohesive devices. So this is the main difference between band 9 and band 7. Now move towards lexical resource. Here you can see, guys, full flexibility and precise use are evident within the scope of the task. A wide range of vocabulary is used accurately and appropriately, with very natural and sophisticated control of lexical features. Minor errors in spelling and word formation. This is for band 9. Just compare it with band 7. The resource is sufficient to allow some flexibility and precision. There is some ability to use less common and or idiomatic items. Any awareness of style and collocation is evident, though inappropriacies occur. This is inappropriacies occurs, and there are only a few errors in spelling, but the errors are there, and or word formation, and they do not detract from overall clarity. There is a difference. Here you can see minimal impact on communication. So in this way you can compare this one. The last one, grammatical range and accuracy. A wide range of structures within the scope of the task is used with full flexibility and control. This is for band 9. Punctuation and grammar are used appropriately throughout band 9. Minor errors are extremely rare, and have minimal impact on communication, band 9. Just compare it with band 7. A variety of complex structures is used with some flexibility and accuracy. A variety of complex structures, a wide range of structures. Then grammar and punctuation are generally well controlled, and error-free sentences are frequent. A few errors in grammar may persist, but these do not impede communication. But a few errors. Here, minor errors. So in this way, you can see that we should work on these band descriptors in order to get a very good band. So you can see in this way, your essay writing is assessed, your report is assessed. So guys, hope you have got a better idea that how the band descriptor works. So what is the difference between band descriptor 9 and band descriptor 7? I didn't discuss about band descriptor 5 for band 5 or 4 or 6 like this one, but I just want to give you an idea. Did you see I mentioned about the accent anywhere, nowhere. So stop bothering about your accent and start working on your grammatical range and accuracy, vocabulary, or cohesion and coherence and all that stuff. Hope you got the idea. So stay tuned with me. Have a nice day.